able to hold through the night here. So lights on the car, corner pace truck are out now, as David Russell Jr. is going to bring them around. And they're going to pick up speed here. Who's ready for some racing? Been a long night here to get started here, especially with the mic issue, but we're good to go now. Chevelle did an amazing job singing, but we're going to pick it up now. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. Once again, these drivers are from all over the area. Indiana, Wisconsin, Minnesota. And out to the lead is going to be David Russell Jr. and Jessica Talley almost made contact there with the 31 of Mick Ellis. Mick Ellis starting to slide into third there, almost in front of Jessica Talley. As the 01 of Mike Rose is going to try to close in on the 88 of David Russell Jr. The 88 of David Russell Jr. running dual divisions tonight. You'll see him later in the American Short Tracker division driving the number 8. But it's Jessica Talley on Mike Rose and going to try to make a move in that 17 car. These Super Cup heat races will be 6 laps, race fans. So we've got 2 in, we've got 4 to go. And you can see they pick up a lot of speed in that turn. It's kind of interesting. They just kind of looks like they kind of coast after they come out of the turns. But all that speed, they seem to really build it up there, right there in the turns. Jessica Talley going for a challenge to challenge David Russell Jr. And she might get around him here. Oh, they're getting close. That's a girl driving that 17. There's some girl power there, race fans. And they got 2 laps to go as they are side by side. Talley looked to pull away from David Russell Jr. in that 17 car. In the fall, she's going to be going to the Alabama University, the Crimson Tide. So congratulations for that. But our new leader is Jessica Talley in the 17 car. David Russell Jr. in second, Mike Rose in third, Mick Ellis in fourth. They're coming around here, checkered flag is out. It's going to be Jessica Talley to win. Followed by David Russell. Ooh, a close battle for third. Mike Rose squeezes by Mick Ellis. And that is heat 1. Now, I'll tell you, race fans, you've seen how big I was. I'm not any means of a skinny person. Me personally, I sat in one of these cars. So if I can do it, you can do it. They make seats for all sizes. And the truck that I sat in, he'll be coming out in just a little bit, the 98 truck. I'll point it out when he comes out. But, yeah, that's the one I sat in. And actually, it wasn't very hard at all to get in there. You get in through the roof. So that's kind of interesting. But Rockford Speedway makes some noise. I think she's going to get out. Let's see if she's going to get out. She's not. All right. Oh, she is going to get out. There's the helmet. She's popping out. Takes a few minutes. All right, Rockford Speedway. She's getting out. Let's see. I can almost see. There she is. Make some noise. That's Jessica Talley.